It's all around us. So much a part of our lives, we forget it's there. But just try to survive a single day without packaging. Virtually everything produced on Earth needs to be packaged.
We've taken great pains to make sure that it gets up there in one piece.
To sell it, ship it, protect it, or keep it fresh, high-tech companies you never knew existed invest billions to design every box, bottle, and bag you encounter, and to crank them out by the ton to meet our insatiable demand.
This isn't rocket science, it's harder.
And you'll never believe how much of every dollar you spend pays for the cost of it all. Now, the untold story of packaging on Modern Marvels. The average American uses 60 pounds of plastic packaging material every year. And much of it is this iconic brand. Behold the marvel of bubble wrap.
They needed to create a textured padded wallpaper that would be laminated to wallpaper and to be applied to the wall that would give it a third dimension. The inventors quickly realized that they had an outstanding cushion material.
Bubble wrap is now produced at sealed air production facilities around the world, including its birthplace in Saddlebrook, New Jersey.
Bubble wrap actually starts from a process of various types of polyethylene resins. We mix these different ingredients up into our blender at the top up here. There's various types of ingredients that are then forced down into our extruder at the lower level. We actually then extrude 2 layers of film that one of those layers will be used to form the bubble.
The machine that transforms the plastic film into bubble wrap has changed considerably in the past 50 years. As you watch it work its magic, let's debunk a myth.
Most people think we're actually blowing air into the bubble to form the bubble, but it's actually a heated drum with a vacuum. So we're sucking the molten flat film down into the embossing cylinder, and then the other hot molten film is actually laminated to the bubble to trap the air that forms the actual bubble impression. And then it immediately travels over to the chill roller where it's quickly cooled and it forms the final impression as far as the bubble.
Each bubble in bubble wrap is uniform in size, but the width and length of the rolls is determined by Sealed Air's clients.
All of our bubble wrap brand products are produced to order, so it gives us the ability to slit and perf in line, and as you can see, there's no waste during our extrusion process. We trim off the sides, it goes into a vacuum tube underneath the floor, ends up back in the extruder, turns back into a resin so we can extrude more product.
The discards are melted and formed into pellets that become more bubble wrap. The same goes for truckloads of used bubble wrap returned to the factory each week, part of the 32% of garbage that Americans recycle every year.